Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. This car has a seat that works every once in a while, very intermittent. So we're going to replace the controller under the seat and hopefully that'll fix it. It's got some error code. I don't remember what it is, but we're going to replace this and then check the error codes. Control box, T25, 14mm ratchet wrench, pry bar, screwdriver to scoop stuff from under the seat. This is the controller under the seat that your seat controls plugs into. I'm not going to disconnect the battery, shouldn't need that. I'm just going to reach under here and replace this. This goes in here, I believe, like this. Yeah, it goes in there like this. So this is the way it goes in. It's got screws on the bottom of it. Really hard to reach unless the seat's all the way up. Turn the ignition on. See if the front of the seat goes up. It's going up. You might have a chance. Nope, the seat goes up, but the bracket and motor stay down. So we're going to pull these two covers off the top with a flat tip screwdriver, or a little pry bar, pry them off. Take those two 14mm screws out of the front of the seat. Then push the top of the seat back, which should make this rock up high enough for us to get that stuff out of there. In the meantime, I'm going to unplug those three plugs on the front. Try to reach back, unplug the two plugs on the back. You can see the two gray plugs back there. And then unbolt this. Pry it up on the front edge of these and they popped out. They push down on that piece there, lock in place. Now I'm going to take that 14mm loose there, 14mm loose there, and rock this chair back. Tilted that seat back. We got a zip tie holding this deal here. Let me unplug these. Now that you have the two bolts out of the front edge of the seat, lift the front edge of the seat up, wedge something under there like a little piece of wood or a tool or something under there, just to keep the front edge of that seat up. Once you have the front edge of the seat up, go ahead and unplug the three plugs on the front edge of the control box. Once you have all three plugs unplugged from the control box, you want to take a T25 tool, either a little 1/4-inch ratchet or something, and unscrew the box from the lower frame of the seat so that you can maneuver the control box around. I don't think none of these are airbags, so hopefully it won't set off no SRS light. But maybe it will. We'll find out. We'll reset it if it does. I got the three on the front unplugged. Then I twisted it to the side. Now I can reach the two gray ones on the back and get this pulled all the way out. Push a little tab on there. Alright, I'm going to put this other one in, and hopefully this will fix our problem, provided that this is the problem. Well, we'll see. Alright, those two plugged in. Put this back in position. Get the chair hiked back up. And get those screws in the bottom of it. Some dirt under here. Looks like seat cushion foam. Let me tilt the chair back and put those two screws back in the bottom. Tighten those 14s back down. Tighten the screw back under this controller. The controller seems to be working great now. Put the screws in the bottom of that. Tighten that screw down. Now just set this in place and press it down. You can clean under all this stuff if you got time and want to, but there it is. We should be good to go. Got some quarters, pennies, hairpins, dirt. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.